Hello guys, Shove2 and a brand new fact video. Today is Bonfire Night. So happy Bonfire Night. Today we are talking about facts on with Doctor Who on this day, on episodes that came out. There are no Bonfire episodes. Instead, there is a game called, what's it called again? The Gunpowder Plot. It has the 11th Doctor who meets Guy Fawkes, and there's a Sontaran and Ruton sort of battle going on in the process. There's a silence hidden in the game. Came out in 2011. Rory is the first game that Rory was in, I think. So that's kind of interesting. But let's carry on with the actual episodes that were on this date. So we got Power of the Daleks. Episode 1, the 5th of November 1966. That's the first ever appearance of Patrick Troughton playing as the Doctor. That's the first time he plays as Doctor. The Image of the Vandal, Part 2, on the 5th of November 1977. This is basically story for Doctor. I believe it's his second series. So there you go. The next one we have is Co-Owners of a Lonely Heart Class. Part 1, 5th of November 2016. I have done this the wrong way round. The last one here is Whatever Happened to Sarah Jane, Part 2, 5th of November 2007. That one has Trickster in, and Sarah Jane gets wiped out of history. She gets wiped out, and she's still alive, but the Trickster is holding and gaining power. That's the end of this video, guys, of fact videos. Make sure you keep safe, keep well, have a lovely bonfire night, or Halloween, firework night, and keep safe and goodbye for now. Bye bye.